So you thought flying automobiles could only be seen in movies? Not any longer. There are no limits to where the human brain can go with technology. It can currently reach the heavens on a daily basis. The highways are packed everywhere, and the rising use of fuel and metals is making the world's largest cities' roads just too small for cars. Before we start, make sure you hit the like and subscribe for future content. Number 1. Palvi Liberty. Thanks to its Dutch engineering and Italian design, it is one of Europe's top products. It is designed to seat 2 people and has a maximum takeoff weight of 910 kilograms. It can fly at a speed of 160 kilometers per hour. The 100 horsepower supercar has a maximum range of 500 kilometers and a maximum fuel capacity of 4.3 hours. The Palvi is a gyroplane, which means that its blades are propelled by the wind and will rotate as long as there is wind. While the idea originally occurred to the creators in 1999, the public introduction of Palvi Liberty occurred in 2017, and the keys were given over to the first clients in 2020. Number 2. AeroMobil. AeroMobil is an intriguing vehicle for various reasons. For one, it is an actual flying car. Yes, that is possible in real life. You can use AeroMobil for either aerial flying or more conventional road transport. AeroMobil travel is faster than most typical flights and less stressful and time-consuming than flying with a traditional airline or ordering a helicopter. Number 3. Terrafugia TFX. Terrafugia has equipped the TFX with a hybrid motor to push the wheels on the ground and 2 electric rotors for flight. Instead of having a high-speed run before flying, the vehicle takes off vertically. A pair of electric motors combined with a 300 horsepower gasoline engine should theoretically deliver a ludicrous number of megawatts. Number 4. XPENG Flying Electric Car. The XPENG 1024 Tech Day introduces smart EV technology and a mobility environment. XPENG Inc. Today presented a range of critical breakthroughs at its annual 1024 Tech Day, including the latest and most complex version of its in-house designed advanced driving assistance system XPILOD 3.5 and XPILOD 4.0. as well as the design of a new generation road-capable flying automobile. Number 5. BLACKFLY. This vehicle is set to enter the market in 2019, but the greatest part is that it will cost less than an SUV. And when it comes from a firm partly financed by Larry Page, who has been experimenting with the prototype for quite some time, you know you're in for a treat. The BLACKFLY, unlike some of the types discussed in this video, does not behave exactly like a car on the roads since it must be transported by a pair of carts. It can also seat only one individual who is 6.5 feet tall and weighs 250 pounds. It's not quite as exciting as flying cars, but it's close. However, unlike the majority of the other flying vehicles for sale on this list, it is inexpensive and plausible. It is intended to take off and land vertically and has a top speed of 62 miles per hour. It can fly for roughly 25 kilometers without recharging the onboard battery. It can only fly over non-congested location in the United States. Number 6. CHANG 184. At a maximum flight speed of 100 kilometers per hour, you can cruise above sea level for a duration of 25 minutes. The maximum altitude you can reach on the EHANG 184 is 500 meters, with a battery charging time of 1 hour. A cool feature of this flying car is that it comes with a downward-facing camera, making it very suitable for scientific and investigation purposes. That is also aided by flashlights and signals lights. There is some space for storage for this one-seater. which can have a 128-inch backpack with a rated payload of 100 kilograms. Thank you for watching to this point. Make sure you like and subscribe to KingzTech channel. I'll see you in the next video.